Hi viewers, welcome to Cookery Zone. In today's video, let's bake plum cake in a pressure cooker. First, we need to soak dry fruits in orange juice. For now, I have chosen tutti frutti, dry kismis, dry cherry fruit, dates, cashews and badam nuts. Let's mix the nuts and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. Now let's prepare the caramelized sugar syrup to enrich the color of the plum cake. Wait till the sugar melts and it turns to dark color. Add 2 tablespoons of water and squeeze a little bit of lemon in it to avoid sticking in the pan. Now let's start preparing the batter. Take a bowl, add soaked dry fruits, sugar syrup, one cup of maida, half cup of powdered sugar, baking powder, baking soda, corn flour, milk powder, cocoa powder, dry ginger powder, nutmeg powder, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder and orange zest. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Once mixed, add half cup of boiled milk and butter and blend it well to get the smooth consistency. Now add 2 eggs one by one and give a fine blend for 5 to 10 minutes. You can skip the eggs if you don't prefer. And now we got the smooth batter for a fluffy plum cake. As a final step, preheat the pressure cooker with a base of salt for 20 to 25 minutes in medium flame. I have taken a flat base vessel to bake the cake. Grease the mold with butter and stick on the butter paper on all the sides. Add batter only for the half of the vessel. And now it's our favorite part. We can decorate the cake with the dry fruits and nuts. Put the mold onto the pressure cooker with the support of a stand. Close the lid and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Once done, open the lid. And here we have our Christmas special plum cake. Tada, bye bye.